This is my Facit, or maybe it's pronounced Facit, Model TK mechanical calculator. And I've had it for quite a while. I use it quite a bit. And you can see here it's got these buttons for number entry and shifting the carriage around. Use a crank to enter the numbers and clear everything out with those levers. And it's got a lot of tactile feedback, makes a lot of mechanical noise. It's really fun to use because of that. I really enjoy it. And you can see in the background here, actually, just recently I got a Model NTK. So I thought it'd be a fun, quick video to compare the Ker-chunks on these machines. And so what that is when you're doing division on one of these, your dividend goes up here into the accumulating register, and you get your result here in the count register on the right. So in order to get the most precision in your result, you want to start by getting your number all the way to the left. And you use that button here called the tabulator. So we can do that here. And then Ker-chunk, it slams all the way over to the left before you can roll it into the accumulator. Then clear it out, enter your divisor, and again, gives a nice aggressive slam over to the left. And then you can start doing your subtractions. So you can see by starting on the left, you can get the most precision here in the count register. So yeah, that's the Ker-chunk on the Model TK, and we can maybe do a much larger number in the setting register. If we see it, it's quite a bit more tame because it doesn't have as much room to travel. And just do one more here. You can see like the whole machine kind of just shifts over. It's pretty aggressive. But then we can bring the NTK up here. And you can see that this machine looks quite a bit more modern with these curved body pieces. One of the other big differences on this machine is the interior has quite a bit of sound deadening material and insulation. So my first impression of it was it operates quite a bit more smooth. With the newer model, maybe it was better manufacturing, better design of the internals and the mechanisms, but it could be just perception as well, because so much less of the mechanical noise comes out of the machine due to that insulation. And so we can compare it really quickly here if we do the same thing. And then you can hear the bell actually works a bit better on this one. It's a lot more consistent. So it rings through a bit when you use the tabulator. And you can just roll that in, clear them out, enter our divisor. And yeah, so you can see we're getting the same thing, obviously. And even though it's newer, it's nearly identical in its user interface. And so we can do the same 9-digit comparison as well. And then, yeah, it's quite a bit more tame as well. And then maybe one more. So yeah, I don't know if it shakes and moves around quite as much. It definitely doesn't sound nearly as violent as on the TK. But yeah, that's the comparison of the Ker-chunks on the two Facit or Facit calculators that I own. Thank you for watching.